When I was working as a journalist, I talked with some of the victims of crimes like that, with old ladies who've been fooled by young robbers or young skinheads who just took their money by fooling them, make them believe that they are their grandsons. It's a thing in Poland. It's called a grandparent scam, and it's very, very popular.
Dzień dobry. Ja od Maćka.
It was always interesting for me that this is not the usually way of stealing, but you have to be some kind of an actor, because you have to pretend for an old lady that you are her grandson.
Przecież ten jego Fiat to ma chyba ze 20 lat, prawda?
A no tak, no ale kocha tego Fiacika, no nie przetłumaczy mu pani.
Ech, ja zapomniałam, przecież on tego Fiata w zeszłym roku sprzedał, prawda?
I thought I just should do this. It's a good story. It has good characters. It's dramatic and it has a comedy potential in it.
Otwórz tego drzwi, rozumiesz?
Siadaj.
Anna Dymna was my first choice. I wrote the script for her because I knew her from all the movies I've watched when I was a kid. And I wrote the script especially for her. When I finished, I just phoned her and told her there is a script I want you to read. And she suddenly told me, I don't want to read, I have no time, and hang up on me. But then I thought to myself, what I have to lose, and just send it to her anyway. And 2 weeks later, when I was in process casting of some other actresses, I had an answer for her, that she loved the script, that she wanted to be a part of it, and half year later, she was on a set with us.
Teraz będę się przebierać. Zostajesz. Tylko nie podglądaj.